Hello and welcome to Teach Me in 2. For today's 2-minute video, we're going to look at shortcuts on Chromebooks. So Chromebooks are renowned for having many shortcuts. One shortcut in particular that is really useful to know is the shortcut to shortcuts, which is Control, Alt and question mark. And the Control Alt question mark shortcut actually brings the menu of all shortcuts available on a Chromebook. It's separated into subsections, which are available down the left-hand side. And if you toggle through the subsections, it will show you some shortcuts that are related to that subsection. If you want to remember one single shortcut, Control Alt question mark in that sequence will give you the shortcuts menu. One shortcut that I'd like to highlight in particular is the screenshot or screen record shortcut, which is Control, Alt and Switcher key. Now the Switcher key being the 6th key across the top of your Chromebook. You'll see that this brings up a little submenu of which I'm already screen recording, but you say you can screenshot, you can screen record, you can take a full screen record, full screenshot, or a cropped one, or you can screenshot or screen record a window. It's also sensible to check the settings, because within the settings you also have access to microphone settings, camera settings. As you can see, I'm recording myself in a small circle at the bottom right, but really useful for sharing messages with pupils, with staff, maybe using as carousel activity, maybe using it as homework tasks, for explaining learning operations to parents to support at home. So a really nice, useful tool to screen record, screencast, and record any content. I hope that was useful. Thank you very much. That's been Teach Me in 2.